Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful white marble monument in India. It is located in the city of Agra near the Yamuna river. The Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. He built it in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The construction of the Taj Mahal started in 1632 and took about 22 years to complete. It is known for its beautiful architecture and gardens. The Taj Mahal has a large dome in the center. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Thousands of people visit the Taj Mahal every year. It is a symbol of love and one of India's most famous landmarks. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.